Hello, welcome to today's daily message. I'm continuing my reflections on Jesus' rebellious actions. And today I want to talk about his wandering. We know that throughout his ministry, Jesus and his followers wandered around the Galilean countryside. It's also quite reasonable to believe that at least some of his followers would have been people who, because of excessive taxation and because of foreclosure of their property, had to wander because they lost their land and lost their homes. In the 9th chapter of the Gospel of Luke, Jesus says this: "The foxes have holes, the birds of the air have nests, but the Son of Man has nowhere to lay his head." So, what is the importance of wandering in the ministry of Jesus? The importance of wandering lies in its symbolic value. It is a symbol of the trust that Jesus had in God. Jesus put all of his faith and trust in God and told his followers to do the same, that they should not place their trust in their land or their possessions, but that they should place their complete trust in God. So why is this an act of rebellion? Well, simply because the Romans, of course, did not place their trust in God. The Romans placed all of their trust in their land and in their possessions. And so Jesus said that eventually, and he believed that eventually, that trust in God would overcome the Romans' lack of trust in God and their placing of their trust in something and someone other than God. Thank you once again for watching. I hope you've found this reflection to be helpful, and I hope you have a very good day today.